Yeah, I got hit niggas sick that I'm still here. I'm still on the hill.
What's good, YouTube? It's srt.javanti. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be going to my first ever clean culture, so I'll catch you guys when I get there.
Check out my latest dirty job. Licensed in all states with orders before you see website details.
Alright guys, we just pulled up, waiting to get into clean culture. So I'll catch you guys when we park up. Alright guys, we just made it. Definitely got some crazy cars. DMV definitely showing out. There's my 400Z. R32 top secret gold. R34 top secret. Mark IV Supra. And sucks ain't a manual, but definitely a clean.
Yo, I like the shirt, bro.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. $570S. Alright guys, finally found some time to go videotape, but just pulled up. Some other chargers. The newer Mustang.
Whatever you want. Hellcat for the YouTube channel.
Yep.
Why you not on our team yet?
Daytona Hellcat. Definitely rare to see one of these in person. They definitely got some nice cars, right? DMV definitely sold out. RSX over there. Stands out. FRS or BRZ, one of the new ones. Definitely clean. Never seen this front bumper before on one of them. R32 GT with some work wheels. Definitely clean. Acura NSX, which I think has the Mugen kit on there. It's definitely rare to see one of these with a full Mugen kit on it. Definitely love these Workmeisters. One of my dream wheels to get on a JDM car is one of these. Definitely seen this F05. Definitely a clean F05. Oh, you got it good. Definitely clean F05. Definitely tucking on air suspension. Are you alright? Definitely clean. Definitely a fire color. Definitely see a couple cars in this color. Clean 01 Camaros. Definitely like the carbon steering wheel. They have a red accent in it. Got a giant wing on it. Definitely rare to see one of these with a giant wing on it. And then we got a fast ass GTR from Workhorse Performance. Upgraded a little screen. F80. Brown interior. Definitely got this low. Wide body 350 or 370. Clean Q50. Definitely the first time I see a Mustang with some Workmeisters on it. Definitely doesn't look bad. Little Evo 10. This was my first dream car that I wanted to get until they stopped making it. Definitely a clean build. Definitely one of my dream cars I'm probably gonna want to get in the future is an RCF, and I want to do the Rocket Bunny kit on it. But as you can see how deep these wheels gotta be for these wide body kits for these RCFs. But definitely looks clean. That's 2000, clean little yellow one. R34, RX-7. Another Evo 10. Mark IV Supra, definitely clean. Definitely spent hella money into this MK4. Damn near everything probably in here carbon. That's near carbon dash and everything. Lost bottles in there. Wide body R32. I think this is a Phantom kit. Yep, Phantom kit. Definitely clean. I definitely like this red. Mint interior. I don't know, guys. I might full send and buy me a G80. Definitely seeing this color in person because I definitely like this color. This is my first time seeing this color in person. Definitely makes me want to get a G80 now. Got brown interior in there. Definitely makes me want, and it's X-Drive too. Definitely makes me want to get a G80 now and seeing this color. Another Phantom R32. Then you got an FRS with a LS in it. Definitely got some crazy cars out here. A wide body Datsun. You got a RB26 in it. Cut it out. I think this is an E96. I keep forgetting what BMW this is, but this is the one with the V8 in it. Definitely clean. Definitely, it's a unique sound. V8 to them. That sounds amazing. A little Mercedes AMG. I think this might be a GTR or Black Series. I think this is more a GTR. Look at the GTR. Definitely clean. First time seeing that little agile front bumper. on the Supra. Definitely gives it a more clean look than the stock Supra. And this one also a manual. Got the SPR1 exhaust on it and everything. Agile's fender inside skirts. Red interior. Women BMWs, always selling out. Top mount turbo G80 X Drive. Definitely would love to do the same setup on a G80 with driver gray and paint the turbo like a top secret gold. Got the CS hood on there. Definitely clean build. B-locks, BFC B-locks to replicate the stock wheels that was on it. Put in a roll cage, carbon fiber seats. Got an orange steering wheel to match. Definitely first time I've seen it look like this on a G80. It's definitely give it like a unique look, kind of almost like the M4 GTS type look that reminds me of. 2025 BMW G80. Definitely makes the new headlights makes it look more modern. Still a little bit aggressive. These are some wheels. Definitely would do a white interior. Bucket seat. Some Hellcat people sawing off to your right. A little red eye. Target Hellcat. Definitely came to sell out.